In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a LinkedIn banner on Canva. To get started, open your browser and head over to the Canva website. Log in if you need to, and once you're in, you'll land on your Canva home dashboard. This is the main area where you can see your previous designs, suggested templates, and a menu on the left-hand side. On that left-hand menu, look for the option labeled Templates and click on it. This is where Canva keeps all of its ready-made designs, and using a template will save you a lot of time, especially if you're not a designer. Once the templates page opens, move your cursor to the search bar near the top. Click inside the search bar and type LinkedIn banner. As you type, Canva will start showing search suggestions underneath. In those suggestions, you should see an option called LinkedIn banner. Go ahead and click that. Canva will now filter all the templates so you only see designs that are sized correctly for a LinkedIn banner, which means you don't have to worry about dimensions or cropping later. You'll now see a gallery of LinkedIn banner templates. Take a moment to scroll through and look for a design that matches your personal brand or the look you're going for. When you find one you like, click on that banner template to open its preview page. On the templates page, click the button that says Customize this template. This will open the design inside the Canva editor, where you can change anything you need. Inside the editor, start by clicking on the text in the template. Replace the placeholder text with your own details, such as your name, role, tagline, or a short message. You can adjust the font, size, and color in the toolbar at the top to match your branding. You can also change the background color, swap out any images or graphics, and add extra elements like icons or a QR code that links to your website or portfolio. Take your time here to make sure everything looks clean, readable, and aligned. Once you're happy with your design, move to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Share button. From the menu that appears, choose the Download option. A Download Settings panel will open. Here, make sure the file format is set to PNG. PNG is a good choice for LinkedIn because it keeps your banner crisp and clear. Finally, click on the Download button. Canva will prepare your file and save it to your computer, ready for you to upload as your new LinkedIn banner.